Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. Today's issue is about casinos. Yesterday, the cabinet has cleared the restarting of the casinos in the state. The word casinos brings out a lot of emotions. For some people, it is their bread and butter. For others, it is a way where you can become bankrupt morally, financially. And for others, basically, it is a vice, very bad vice, which breaks families, which creates a lot of issues for people. And while for the establishment, the mayor is with us, Udaiva, welcome. The TTAG chief, Nilesh Shah, he is also with us. And very prominent NGO, Sabina Martin, she is also with us. Welcome, all of you. Now, I would like to start with Nilesh first, from the business point of view. Why you feel, or do you feel that it's a good decision of the government, it's a bad decision, and what exactly, basically we want to know what your view of industry is, because you represent the tourism industry. Nilesh.
Uh, Thank you, Glenn, for inviting me for this show. I'll just give you one statistics before we start. Like casino gives a revenue of almost 700 crores to Goa government, around 700 to 750 crores to Goa government. Out of 14,000 crores of Goa budget, 700, so it is percentage wise you can calculate it's very high. Secondly, the almost 14,000 plus people are employed in this industry, directly, indirectly, in and around all the casinos which are there in Goa. Besides, one more statistic which I just came across. Only one casino vacated 150 flats in and around Panjim when casino, because of this pandemic, because of the staff. Now, this is the economy, the way the economy, this casino is helping Goa as a whole, right from the people to Goa to the government for the revenue. Casino, overall, in fact, perception, it is a sin industry. But once Goa government has decided that casino are part of Goa for tourism purpose, it has to be looked into the entertainment part of it. Like people all the way is to earliest to go to USA or Macau to see the casino. So now they have opportunity. Many of the local people may not able to go that far to have a look at what is all about. And anything which you curtail, there is going to be black marketing, and there is going to be. Now you just saw the IPL. There are a lot of betting happen in Goa. If I believe if the casinos were open, they may be playing there, and some revenue would have been generated into Goa. You see the Bihar elections. If you ask the commonest of common, the liquor ban they have done, they said that is a bad because more liquor has been consumption. So anything which is banned or curtailed, it has a negative effect. Casino in Goa, as I told you, it brings the entertainment value. That's something else which tourists can look into it, specifically to domestic tourists. With this casino opening, which we welcome, there's one vertical which had not started yet. With this opening, you will see a lot of in and around hotels in Panjim will start opening. Out of 3,870 hotels, official hotels which are registered with the tourism department, only around 950 have applied for opening. So it is almost just 25% have applied for opening or opened. So balance have not opened for various reasons because of the present situation in Goa. So with this type of strategy, with the casino opening, we'll see a lot of small hotels in Panjim, small shops in Panjim will start, getting some business out of it. So with this, all those things, as a looking into the entertainment of aspect and the revenue aspect and that economy as a whole starting, I think this casino industry will help in big way in adding up the capacity into Goa. One more statistic I'll give you before we can go to next panel is the airlines. Right now we have around 25 flights which have started in Goa. With casino opening, you can expect more frequency to add to the Goa and more tourists coming into Goa. So because it is a all circle cascading effect. So with the casino, you can expect more tourism into Goa, and I think it will help everyone to survive for next 4-5 months with the all activities of tourism started, giving small bit of revenue in each segment to the hotel industry and overall tourism industry.
या थँक्स निलेश. मेयर, आता तुम्ही आता टुरिझम सायडींतले तुम्ही आयकले. आता यू आर द फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ पॅनजीम. कसिनो स्पेशली फ्लोटिंग कसिनोज आर इन पॅनजीम. सगळे कितें मॅरियट हे सगळे सम ऑफ द लँड कसिनोज ऑल्सो आर अंडर यू. सो तुमचे कितें म्हणणें? वॉट इज युअर से ऑन दीस डिसिजन ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट येस्टरडे?
कॅसिनो जे हांगासर आमचे पणजेचे आमचे प्रोमिनंट जे रेजिडेंट्स आसा, लोक जे आसा, त्यांची कंप्लेन कितें आसली की कॅसिनो रातभर चालू आसता, नाका असले धंदे चलता. मागीर लोक व्हेकल्स आपल्यो हाडटा, गाडी फुटपाथीर पार्क करता. कोणाक रेजिडेंट्स आसा ताका आपल्या दारान सुद्धा दार ओपन सुद्धा करूंक मेळना. मागीर स्टाफ तुमकां धाडटा, कुत्र्याक फुटपाथीर दवरता. आणि अशी आमी आमच्या दोळ्यांनी पळयला की फाल्यां जर कितें उजो सुद्दां लागलो ना, पण बरो ना जालो, एम्बुलन्स हाडूंक मेळचेना, जावं फायर ब्रिगेड सुद्दां आपल्या घरान हाडूंक मेळनासली, अशी परिस्थिती जाल्ली. तेजेर आमी कितें केलें की आमी ठरयलें की बाबा हे कॅसिनो शिफ्ट करपाचें हांगासल्यान. शिफ्ट करपा खातीर ऑनरेबल पोस्ट मिनिस्टर आमचो मायकल बाब हेणें आमकां सांगलें की आपूण 2 कॅसिनो हांगच्यान व्हरता आउट ऑफ 6. आमकां दिसलें की 2 थंय केल्या उपरांत चालू उरतले, तितको पणजेचो लोड कमी जातलो. तो लोड आसलो तो पार्किंग जावं, ट्युरिस्ट व्हेकल्स खंयच्या खंय पार्क जाताल्यो, ट्युरिस्ट वाले टॅक्सी वाले सुद्दां खंयच्या खंय हे करताले. ताका मागीर आमी सेकंड आमी अशें काडलें की आमी नायट स्पॉट तयार केलो, टोईंग व्हेकल. आमी अक्षरशः पर डे आमी 100-150 बायकी उबारून हाडूंक लागले रातच्यो. रातची 12 एका कित्याक कॅसिनो म्हणटाले आफ्टर 11 ते स्टार्ट जाताले. मागीर आमी 4 व्हिलराक आमी कॅम्पिंग करूंक लागले विथ द हेल्प ऑफ पुलीस. अशें करून आमी ती शिस्त हाडली. लोकांच्यो ज्यो पयलीं कंप्लेनी ज्यो आसल्यो आमकां भायर सरूंक मेळना त्यो आमी दाखल हाडल्यो. आता जवळ जवळ 7 महिने कॅसिनो बंद आसा. आमी डिसिजन घेतले की ह्या खेपे मार्च उपरांत आमी रिन्यूवल करचे ना आणि आमी स्टँड आमचे थंय आसा. खुबशे प्रॉमिनंट बिझनेसमॅन सांगतात त्या भशेन की पणजे 7 उपरांत आता हेच्या खातीर जाता. 7 उपरांतूच ते 25 वर्सां पयलीं 7 उपरांत लोक धंदे बंद करून सगळे हे जाताले पणजे, तशी आतां जाता. तेन्ना आमी पणजे जावं रेस्टॉरंट आसा, जावं शॉपां आसा, जावं आनी कितें आसा ते आमकां मेळ्ळे. हे आतां हे पयलीं कोविडाच्या मदीं अशें म्हणल्यार कॅसिनो थोडो तेंप तर तुमी चालू दवरा, 1-2 वर्सां तरी चालू दवरा. कित्याक आतां सध्या बिझनेसान सामको मार बसला. तेतून जर परत जर कॅसिनो आमी समज तांकां लायसन हे केलें ना जाल्यार म्हणल्यार खूब त्रास जातले. आमकां 2 वर्सां तरी हें करप. एज अ मेयर, एज अ सिटीजन, म्हाका दोनूय सायड पळोवंक जाय. बिझनेसमॅन लोकांचे पोटूय पळोवंक जाय आनी जे कोण फॉर आसा तेंचे कॅसिनो फॉर कॅसिनो अगेन्स्ट दोनूय बाजू. कॅसिनो अगेन्स्ट आसले तेंकां आमी कित्या खातीर आमी तो थोडोसो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केलो. कॅसिनोचे आता सांगला तशें कितकेशेच फॅमिली डिपेंड आसा. हांव ना म्हणना आतां कोण.
Sabina, now the mayor has been, looks as if at least he's trying to balance the issues of this on the issues of the people as well as and business. What now? I think the way you look at casinos is quite different, right, Sabina? So could you please?
Because the virus count has not gone down. Okay, so all these measures were done to control the virus, closing down. So at this point of time, just like how we have not opened school, at this point of time, casino should not be open more as an activity. Now the second part of it is the casino as an economic policy. You had right from day one, people have been opposing. See, an economy cannot be fully dependent on a vice. Today, as Mr. Nilesha has pointed out, that 50% of your budget is based on your casino revenue. That's what he said. So today, the Goa revenue is on gambling, is on alcohol.
5 to 7%.
That means your entire focus of your economy is centered around vices which are addictive. It does not improve the quality of life of the people. Yes, the government gets revenue, but at what cost? And who is paying the cost? So when you talk about the welfare of the people, then all the economic policies should be such that it benefits people. You are bringing in casino, you want revenue, you are saying for the people. But if you look at the benefit the people are getting, they are not getting the benefit. In fact, it is their money which is going. their properties that are sold. See, when the casinos came in, the entire revenue that they got was from the locals. Okay, it is the for a vice to develop, people have to go to that place continuously. Then only it becomes addictive, and it is the locals which this whole industry has generated addicts. We've never seen gambling addicts to this extent. And more so, crime has also increased. You are not getting the money to go into the casinos or rob.
Now the mayor is doing a balancing act. He has to look after parking, X, Y, Z, and
Can I
various
just make
complaints of
one
people.
point before you
Yeah,
move
sure.
on to the other point?
Yeah, sure.
Just one point.
Yeah, sure.
The point
Go
that
on.
I'm trying to say is that all this time people have been saying that casino is not a good idea. It cannot be in the mainstay of our economy. We had 8 months in this lockdown. We could do without the casinos to make alternate policy decision, to be prepared to give people an alternate where people can get jobs, people can improve their quality of life, and the businesses around this activity could improve. And that I'm saying is sadly failing.
Yes, that is a very good point, Sabina. But I don't think somehow, this is my personal opinion, but I don't think our government has the capacity to really actually think of these options. This is of course my opinion, and my opinion itself is not anybody else's. Yeah. Okay.
If you see agriculture in this COVID time, it has shown growth.
Agreed.
So why
Agreed,
not
yeah.
put in
Yes.
some effort into in areas which will be good for the state?
Yeah. Thanks. Nilesh, now Zabina has got a few good points, as in that initially, see, it's not 100%, of course, she's looking at from our point of view, that lots of families have got affected, lots of people have got affected, and the mayor has said transport, traffic, this we know, because you pass that side, pass the casinos, you have no parking, and then, so these are lots of issues that the industry has to ensure that the government looks at. If not, there is going to be a backlash.
Glenn, as you are aware, in parking issue, the parking lot is available there. So it is for the authorities, police and other people around
But
to
industry
see that
has
all
to
these
push.
vehicles are parked in that parking.
Industry has to push.
So,
no, Nilesh.
and that walking distance is just 5 10 walk, or they can have
Correct.
vehicles to transport continuously. So the parking lot is already there. So it is just matter of implementation that nobody can park the vehicles as they want. They can also go to the parking lot. As far as a lot of Goans who have been playing earlier, see, this is my personal opinion, not as a president I can talk about. The locals should be banned from play in the casinos. Throughout the world, if you go any part of the world, the locals of that area are not allowed to be entered in the casinos. You go to South Korea, you go to US also, I believe, wherever you go. In fact, in this I have been advocating to our ex-chief minister also, Mr. Parrikar also had a talk on this, that the locals should not be allowed. Now, in India we have a problem, how you restrict locals going in the casinos. So that there can be a mechanism where I think they have put up a law also where locals are not going to be allowed. So I think that will solve a lot of issues. But as far as I told you, I look at it purely on the entertainment part of it, because this is one more activity which can be done. When I don't understand what it is. Like if you go there, most of the people who go, it is just sake of looking at it, what is all about the casinos. So it is not just to gamble, but to have a feel of it, that this is one of the activities which is been taken care of. Of course, there are many more activities which we should focus on and, try to develop into Goa. And as I told in my earlier interviews also, what we need to do, the basic things right, we'll see the tourism flow coming back into Goa. So, of course, there is opportunity to develop other segments also of the industry, not only tourism, but other industry also. But Goa being a small place, the people try to, there is a lot of the new activities coming in. It is not easy for, to pan out for the person who is investing also money in Goa, because there are a lot of norms which you have to follow and everything. And as far as casino is concerned, I think basically it is one of the revenue generation for the government. Besides, it is a very high employment generation for the people in general. You may argue that there are less Goans, more from outside Goa who are employed there, but that is a matter of like lot of Goans also. If you go to the Goans who are working abroad, you will see most of them are working in the hospitality industry. In the lot of the big cruise liners are there. And everywhere there are casinos inside. So they have the exposure there, and this is the opportunity for them with casino coming in. Many of them who don't want to go back, and I think there will be avenues open for them to work in Goa. So I think this is one of the employment generation this COVID time way I look at. It may, look at the thing, because right now, let's be very, very frank enough, it is tough time for everyone, and especially in the tourism sector, it is the worst time to be.
Yeah, yes, Nilesh, absolutely, good point. Yeah, Mayor, what Nilesh has said and what Sabina has said and what even I am saying, because we are, I'm also a Panjimite, the parking issue, one. मागीर ते रातचे वाजे ते भोंवता ते मागीर ते भायर येता मागीर ते दोन एक्स्ट्रा ड्रिंक मारून सगळे भोंवता ते बॅनियन घालून चेंडी घालून दॅट इज एन इम्प्लिमेंटेशन इश्यू ते वेदर इट इज आनी मागीर झगडी ती मागीर ते टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हराची झगडी एंड देन सो दोज ते इश्यू इफ यू मेक दॅट लेस देन मे बी Panjimites will not be so upset. Right now they are quite upset. अरे परत झाले पार्किंग मेवणे एज इट इज तू जाणार ना आमच्या ऑफिसा कडेन वचून पार्किंग मेवपाक हेडेक आणि हाफ ऑफ द प्लेसेस सो बट यू नो रातचे वचपाचे थिंगा इन फ्रंट ऑफ टुरिझम कितें पार्किंग मेवता वेन द कसिनोज वर देर
आणि लोक रस्त्यार जावन रांदपी विश आसा रस्त्यार जेवपी विश आसा हे सगळे तुजे आसा हेतून खंय तरी आमचे पुलिशेन जे ऑथॉरिटी आसा तेंच्यांनी लक्ष दिवंक जाय कॅसिनो सुद्दां स्टार्ट जाल्या उपरांत लोकांची झगडी जावप उपकारना उपकारना थंयच्यान पार्किंग करप पार्ट ऑफ जे आसा आमी ऑलरेडी केअर घेतला आमी ऑलरेडी टोईंग कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑलरेडी आनी म्हाका दिसता आनी कांय 10 दिसां भितर आमी कॅसिनो खातीरूच न्ही म्हणजे जितकी जी व्हेकल्स आसा जी खंयच्या खंय पार्क करता फुटपाथीर कोण पार्क करता पार्क करता तशें मॅन पावर ना तेचे कडेन व्हेकल ना सदांच आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जातालो म्हणून आमी आतां टेंडर केला आनी एजन्सी अपॉयंट केला म्हणजे कोण आतां बीड हें जालो ऑलरेडी ओपन जाली एजन्सी अपॉयंट केला की तेणे रावंड द क्लॉक तेणे खंय नो पार्किंग रावता खंय मदीं पार्किंग करता पार्किंग पार्ट हो नो प्रॉब्लेम तो इशू आसतो हो इशू आमी सॉल्व करतली आमच्या लोकांक फ्री करून मेळूंक जाय आमचे रेजिडंट्स आसा पळय तांकां फ्री भायर तेंच्यो गाडयो पार्क करून मेळूंक जाय तेंचे व्हेकल तेंचे सारके तेंच्या दारांत तांकां आतां खंय पार्क करता ते फ्रीली पार्क करून मेळूंक जाय ही आमची जबाबदारी आज डिपार्टमेंटान हें बांदला पे पार्किंग हें केला आज थंय पयलें काय टेलिफोन जाला
मेयर म्हाका एक हें करूंक जाय मेयर एक मिनिट मेयर हांव कितें म्हणटा पार्किंग इश्यू द वे यू आर सॉर्टेड आउट द पार्किंग इश्यू सॉर्ट आउट केला एजन्सी केला पुलिसे कडेन सो कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ द CCP ऑफ द सिटी फादर्स विथ द पीपल ऑफ Panjim with the NGOs with the tourism मातशी कोऑर्डिनेशन जावंक जाय ना फॉर एग्जांपल कसिनो आसा सो मे बी वन्स अ मंथ मे बी वन्स अ 2 मंथ बिकॉज पुलीस नाल्यार इफ आमी वसत नॉट एज अ जर्नलिस्ट एज अ पणजी वसत अरे बाबा ते आमी ते मोदे पडना आमी ते मोडे पडचे ना झगडी जातली आसून दी सोडून सो इफ द मेयर और इफ द पीपल लायक निलेश इज देर ही इज TTAG इज देर Sabina her NGO representative mayor asa and prominent people now I am from Panjim I am a voter of Panjim my house is near the church I can't park so if people from around the area are brought into the one and so you will know the complaint because police nalia direct muntale na mayor problem kota nalia councillor problem kota so if they know that the people themselves are upset so then tomorrow the media can find out अरे इतले assurances दिल्ले policein केला हो कोरोना so taking the help of the media and the others help then that way implementation as Nilesh says and as Sabina is very upset about can be done no mayor with you as the this and taking the this of the MLA yeah Sabina mayor तुका दिता उलो मागचे Sabina yeah Sabina yeah
Yeah, what I want to say is all these issues which are being listed as problems, these are inherent problems of the casino industry. And this
Correct.
issue was raised right from the beginning. You don't, and first in the legislation came in saying that it was offshore casinos. Why did you bring it into the rivers and into the land? These are inherent issues. And
Correct.
whenever any industry is being brought in, there is a study which is done. The pros and cons are studied and then implemented. In case of casino, such a thing was not
Nothing.
done. You see
Correct.
what is happening in Las Vegas. So now what we are trying to do is see how we can solve the problems which have been created. Now at that time they said it would be offshore. Why wasn't it shifted offshore? Why are you fooling the people all the time? Whichever government comes into power, keep on saying we will move the casinos out. We will stop the casinos till the voting period.
Yeah,
Once the
why?
election
Sabina,
gets
I
done,
don't know if that's
then
going to
everything is
happen.
forgotten.
Sabina, absolutely, we agree with you. But fair enough. Hopefully, one day we'll see that. But as of
Not
now,
one
my
day,
point
you
is,
see, we are already getting destroyed. See the advertisements put all over under the Gambling Act. Advertisement of gambling is not permitted. Yet all over, even the road signage, police department, which is supposed to implement, they also have got advertisements. Why can't the advertisement be stopped? Now, how Bihar is known as a Bimaru state, or UP is known as the criminal land of, was being known as land of sin. Now, is this what you are trying to promote to the rest of the world? So, and there are
okay.
implications because by minute people come to Goa, लड़की किधर मिलती है, drugs किधर मिलता है, gambling किधर कर सकते हैं. They are only interested in that.
Okay, Nilesh,
And
before,
I want to
Sabina, I agree. Now, wait, absolutely, yeah. Good, you
these
have a
guys are
point.
getting
Absolutely,
revenue
you have a
from
point. We've also had issues with this advertisement, the way they are portrayed. Yeah, yes, Sabina.
farmers
Yes.
would also
Right.
Yes,
benefit
absolutely.
if
Now, let me get back to the mayor because he's the boss of Panjim. Mayor, पळय आतां ती गॅमलिंग शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट गॅमलिंग म्हणजे ते सायनेजीस तुमची हाती ना पुलीस ऑब्वियसली पुलीस हॅव टू लिसन टू यू द गार्बेज कितें सिच्युएशन ना दे हॅव टू लिसन टू इवन आय नो इट इज पुलीस इश्यू ते ड्रिंकिंग इन द नायट पुलीस बट अरे मातशें प्रेशर घालीत जाल्यार ते ऑटोमॅटीक जाल्यार आमी आसा न्हू वी आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द दीस सो दे कॅन इम्प्लिमेंटेशन पार्ट the stand has to be taken by the CCP na don't you think mayor and you are capable highly capable of doing this
आता इश्यू आसा पळय इश्यू गॅमलिंग इवन ड्रग्स हांव डिनाय करना ड्रग्स सुद्दां हांगा पणजे धाट सिटीन अवेलेबल आसा हांवें कांपाला रातचे एकाच सुमार म्हाज्या बरोबर हांवें एज अ कस्टमर म्हणून कोणाक गेलो आनी हांवें प्रूफ एकठांय केलो 500 रुपीज 400 रुपीज गांजाची गांजा एवढी पुडी हेजेशे भुरग्यांक थंय लोकांनी हाडून दिली ते बसताले तांकां इमिजिएटली दुसरे दिसा विचार पुलीस आमची रेड मारली आनी कितकेशेच 2 किलो गांजा धरलो आमी आनी थंयची आमी ती सगळी एरिया क्लीन केली कांयपा आसली हेजे कांपाल परेड ग्रावंडाचेर सगळें क्लीन केलें ही ड्युटी गोंयची पुलिसाची आमची पद्दत आमी ऑथॉरिटी सांगू शकता कोण शकता ते तुमचें काम बी अशें पूण पुलिसांक हे गॅमलिंग जावं हेजेर वचून आमी कॉपरेशन दिवपाक तयार आसा आतां तुमी पाट्ट्यो थंय आनी ते बिल्डींग मागीर थंय जाता आशिल्लें कितें एवरी 3 days पडटा ते आमी काम आतां पयलीं काय बरी ताका गेटी बंद जाताली आतां म्हणजे पयलीं रातचे कोणाक भितर मेळनासलें हांव नेक्स्ट हे कोण पॉलिटिक्स हेंच्यांनी काय प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग करनासतना ते ब्युटिफिकेशन पण केली ड्रिंक्स काडून उडयले आतां ते कोणाक येवन ते भितर न्हिदूंक मेळटा प्लेस ती आमी ती बरी मेंटेन करूंक जाय आमकां दीस तें काम पडटा आमी डेली बियरच्यो बाटल्यो बॉटल्स आनी कितें ड्रग्स सुद्दां गांजा ते सुद्दां पडटा मेळटा आमकां
yeah mayor yes we are out of time completely cross zalo yeah thank you very much ami we will support in every way and we will support in whichever way we can if you take us into confidence and these casinos I don't know now business Nilesh business says that it's important yes it's needed all that but then there's another side of civic society and then there is the mayor who is in the middle along with the authorities so
basically, even if you see with this happening, we'll see a lot of these small taxi drivers where we had no
Yeah.
business. Last rickshaw can penjim. All ideas. With this, the economic activity will start. And
Hopefully.
basically we have to understand this livelihood now. Certain sectors have been created, and livelihood is around that. Then I think it is good thing it's starting, and I hope it will help everybody to survive this bad phase of the life.
Fine. Yes, hopefully, but also an issue which Sabina says absolutely right. Lot of implementation issues, lot of endemic problems, maybe options and all. But I don't know. As of now, it started. So hopefully, we will be able to meet next time and try and see where it has gone. If anything has changed, anything has improved. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you, Sabina. Thank you very much.